After you've created your website, you'll be brought to its home page. You'll notice the name of the site at the top left. At the very top of the screen, you'll notice the web address of the site. This address has a technical name. It's called the Uniform Resource Locator, or URL. So URL means the same thing as web address. At the top right, you'll notice 4 buttons. The pencil allows you to edit or change the page you're on. The plus allows you to add a new page. The sprocket, or gear wheel, shows a menu of many other choices that we'll talk about later. The share button allows you to control who shares or sees your site. You'll notice that right now, students of Arlington Public Schools can see your site, and you should leave the share settings that way, at least for a while, until your site is built out further. Right now, we're going to add a new page. To do that, click the plus button. On the new screen that appears, you'll need to name your page. Please call it Practice. We're going to use this page to mess around while we're learning. Type Practice, then click Create. You return to your website, but in a slightly different place. You'll notice that at the left in the navigation area, the new Practice page has appeared. And in the main area of the page, you see the name of the page and an area where you can type. So you want to click in the typing area and type anything you want. This part of making a website works almost the same way that Google Docs works. You just type, and you can change what you type by using the buttons at the top of the screen. So for example, I can select this text and change its size by clicking the font size menu. I can change its color by clicking the text color button and choosing another color. If I want to make a word bold, I can select the word. The fastest way to do that is to double click it and then choose bold. There are a few different fonts you can use. I'll select all my text again and go to the normal drop-down menu and choose another font. Take a moment and explore all the buttons at least in the first half of this menu, right through the font color button. We'll talk about these buttons later, although you're free to explore them too, but focus on the first half of the buttons. When you've made all the changes you want, please remember to save your work by clicking the Save button at the top right.